This is Mech 330, Programming for Industry 4.0. Like always, I'm going to start by demonstrating the hardware project. This is a dice roll. So when I press the button, the software will roll a number between 1 and 6, and it will output onto the microcontroller visually as LEDs. So for the code, we're also going to use the class die. So from random, import random int. And so anytime we make a die object, number of sides is going to automatically be there. And then we're going to make a method roll, and that's going to return a random number between 1 and the number of sides. So that basically means a number between 1 and 6 in this case. So then we're going to import all of our things that we need. Import board, import digital IO, import NeoPixel, import time, import random int. Don't believe I need that on this side. And then from die, we're going to import die. So from this file, we're importing the class die. And then we're going to establish the NeoPixels like always. We got 6 that we're going to be using today to represent the number of sides. Then we got establishing the button. So we're going to get our button ready to use. And then we're going to do a while loop for the button presses. So if the button value is true versus false, so if it's being pressed, we're going to then create an object of die, and we're going to place it in a variable called die. And then we're going to call the method die roll, and we're going to store the result into result, and then we're going to print the result, and that's how we're getting the number down here to print the result. And after printing the result, we're going to use the result in these for loops here to get the index for our pixels. So the value here is going to be a number from 0 to up to the point before the result, which conveniently works for our index of our pixels, which go from numbers from zeros, not ones. So we place that RGB value within here and the value. So the value will be the amount of LEDs that are on. Then we have a delay, and we do this for loop again, but we turn off the LED with the 000 RGB value. And just to show a little bit more how this value would work, when I would print the result here, that would be 6 LEDs here, but the value here would be 5 because pixels go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This would be the 0 value here. This would be 3 here, but we would still be 4 LEDs because 3 here evaluates to 4 LEDs. 5 here would be 5 LEDs, but would be 4 here. That would be 3 again. So that's kind of how value works. So that's everything for this week. Thank you for watching.